Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will show you how you can get more credits for IMVU game. So I have IMVU++, it's a modded game and you can get a lot of credits with this tool. It is working for Android and iOS devices. So I will show you now how it works. So let's open the modded game, IMVU++, and as you can see I have a lot of credits in the store, which is totally free. Every credit item costs exactly $0, and I have already 200 credits, thousands, and I will show you how you can get it. So let's add some credits to my game. Let's add 10,000. Oh, okay, it's updated now. Let's add 200. Okay, and it is working very good. I can add it as much as I need. It's very easy. Okay, so this is the modded game, IMVU++. Let's close it. I will delete it now. Okay, so to get it I will open my Safari browser and I will go to this website, tweakpanda.com. Okay, so here's the website. Just go and find IMVU++. Okay, so here it is, IMVU++, unlimited credits. So hit over and start an injection button. It will take a few seconds. I will get back to you when it's done. Okay, so it's almost finished, so let's wait a little bit longer, and here it is. Oh, okay, so click here, the process. Okay, IMVU is installed, so click OK, and it is here, IMVU++ modded game. So as you can see, it is very easy to install this mod, which can get you a lot of credits for IMVU game. So here is my guide for more credits for IMVU game. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and bye.